everyone, welcome to Ask Nutritionist Deepa's whole food, plant-based, no oil, guilt-free recipes. And I hope you have watched my video on jalapenos, because I'm making 4 different sauces using those truckload of jalapenos that I got from my farmer. Now I'm making a Indonesian style sambal, and basically sambal is a chili paste, and it has a bit of an Indonesian Malaysian touch to it because of some of the soy sauce or tamari sauce that I'm using, bit of a galangal along with shallots, tamarind, and of course the red jalapenos. You can use any other chili if you want. Historically or traditionally, dry chili is also used, but because I have so many jalapenos, I decided to use the fresh jalapenos. So the ingredient also calls for bit of date sugar or coconut sugar, just to pull a little bit of that sweetness in, to balance up the sourness of the tamarind and the saltiness of the soy sauce, and of course some garlic. So I have some galangal. Galangal is a Thai ginger or Indonesian ginger which has a slightly sweeter flavor. It is going to come together really well. So what I'm going to do, blend those jalapenos into a chunky puree along with shallots, and then mixed and put all these ingredients together and get cooking. So here is my puree of jalapenos along with shallots, and I have made sure that it is chunky. I'm going to start cooking, start simmering, and add the other ingredients. So for 3 cups or so of pureed jalapenos, I took half a cup of shallots or 3 small shallots, and I'm going to add a tablespoon of soy sauce in it. In fact, I feel like adding more, so 1.5 tablespoon of soy sauce. I think actually it's not a soy sauce, it's a tamari sauce, which is a gluten-free version of soy sauce. And now I'm going to add the garlic. Not much, not compared to the other Mexican and other sauces, but just a half a tablespoon or so of garlic. And I have this organic dried galangal. Galangal is a Thai ginger which has just amazing flavor. It's not as spicy as the regular ginger. It has a sweeter flavor. And I'm going to add approximately half a teaspoon. I'm going to again adjust the seasoning once the sauce cools down, because for sauces it takes some time for all the flavors to come together. I have a teaspoon of coconut sugar and approximately a teaspoon or so of tamarind. And now just blending this together and allowing it to cook down. In here I'm going to add half a tablespoon or so of salt. I'm going to be careful with salt because it already has the tamari sauce, which has some sodium in it, so it may not need as much salt. So I'm going to add a little bit of salt, maybe just a teaspoon. This is a Himalayan salt, fine Himalayan salt, and allow it to cook down. So I'm going to cover it partially and cook it down. So this is my Indonesian style sambal. I just tried it. It's spicy, it's sweet, it's salty, it's sour. It is really party on my taste buds, and it is a nice standalone sauce. You don't need anything else when you stir fry something, or with it you can use it to stir fry cauliflower rice or brown rice to make like a Indonesian style fried rice. You can use it as a dipping sauce, you can use it as a spread. This sauce is preservative free, additive free, contains no artificial color or flavor. It does not have any sodium benzoate or potassium sorbate. So a perfect addition to your sauce collection. And I hope you guys will try it, enjoy it, and thank you again for watching this guilt-free recipe videos and for your comments and support. I will talk to you guys soon.